These car transform videos are blowing up on Instagram right now. This page has got 30,000 followers, and his videos are getting millions of views. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to make them by yourself. Here is the one I had created in just 2 minutes. First, open ChatGPT. Here, go to Explore GPTs and search for Car Transform Generator. Once you start the generator, it will provide us 10 different video ideas. For example, I am going with first one. Then it will provide us a before image prompt, an after image prompt, and a video prompt. Now copy the first image prompt. Now open Top View AI. The link is in the description. Here, open text to image. Choose Model GPT Image 2. Paste the prompt here. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Then hit generate. Here is how mine came out. That's the frame that stops someone mid-scroll. Save the image you like. Now go to Image Edit. Here, upload the image we had just created. Now copy the second image prompt from GPT. Paste it here and hit generate. And our second image is also ready. A full mechanical cheetah with Lamborghini bodywork and glowing eyes. Save this also. Now go to Image to Video. Here, choose the Model Sedans 2.0. Add your first image as start frame and second image as end frame. Go back to GPT, copy the video prompt. Paste it here. Choose the video duration 10 seconds and hit generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I had made using the same method. So that's the full workflow, and you can add text in any editing software if you want. All the links you need are provided in the description. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next niche.